Jay. It's been a long day. Hey, boss. So I feel like, hey.
I'm playing my game, brother.
Oh, come on, Mr. Palimosa. Who do you think you're talking to like that?
Bro, I'm just playing my game, that's it.
Ah, she's somebody I'm boy. You have a part of what today?
Can't you see I'm playing my game here, man?
But you want to see if I expect the grand moon? Keep on. Yo, I should show my boy.
I said I'm playing my game, but don't mess in my game right now.
I should show my boy, s'il vous plaît.
The game. You want the Heineken?
Oui. De parler à vous, monsieur, mais. Après tout le temps, ça, on bien heureux, on va raconter.
How much do you want?
Vide bagarre avec how much do you want to work.
Is this okay?
Et puis, make sure
Is this
you
okay?
mets des glaces là.
Is this okay?
Mets des glaces là.
Is this okay?
Ou pas que j'ai de tête ou même.
Is this okay?
Hein? Quand on
okay?
joue